Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel and my name is Ajhar Islam. Today in this video I will show you how to send automatically your WooCommerce orders directly to Google Sheets. No more manual export, no more copy pasting, everything happens automatically. By the end of this video you will have a fully automated system that sends orders data to Google Sheets whenever an order status changes. So let's get started, and before starting this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe the YouTube channel to get more updates. So first time we need to log in our WordPress dashboard, and if you don't have any e-commerce website, you can follow my previous video to create a fully functional e-commerce website using WooCommerce. So let's go back to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and click on add plugin. And here you can click on this button upload plugin and upload a zip file. I will provide you this zip file in the video description box below. Also you can visit the website www.methods.com, and here you will get lots of plugins, but this plugin has also free version, so we can use a free version, and most of the features you can use for free. So click on this button, then again go back to your dashboard and click on this option, then choose this file, send order to Google Sheets. Okay, select it, then click on install now button, then click on this button active plugin. Okay, this plugin has activate, then you will see this option WC orders to Google Sheets. Let's click on it, and here you will get some option, selected fields, trigger status true. So now you can active and deactivate this status to send the status data to your Google Sheets. For example, I wanna send processing status orders to Google Sheets, or on hold, or completed. You can select multiple order status from here. And next, this is the product categories filter. So here you can select a specific category to send data from the specific product categories. So you can select it, but if you don't select any category, it will be sent all orders from any categories. Then sheet mode, but if you use a pro version of this plugin, you can create automatic sheet for daily, weekly or monthly. I will show you later, don't worry. Then here checkout field, so here you can enable and disable some checkout field if you want to show order currency on your Google Sheet, or email address, customer email address and customer imported phone number. You can check these options, or you can also check billing address, payment method. For example, your customer select Stripe payment gateway and make the order, so it will be show Stripe payment gateway title on the list, and scroll down, and also you can show product category on the list. Okay, so if you want to show, you can check on it, then product type, and also you can show shipping method, and for example inside Dhaka, outside Dhaka, or any shipping method title. Then also you can show customer note, but I don't want it. And you can also show total discount amount on the order list, and it has some pro feature, so you can use pro plugin if you want to use these features. And scroll down, and here generate Google Apps script, but before generating, make sure you have saved the setting. Click on save settings, and again scroll down, let's click on it, and so you have got a Google script. So we need to paste the script to our Google Sheet. So first of all, copy to clipboard. Okay, then visit drive.google.com. Now I wanna create a new sheet from here. So hover over on it and click on it, and here click on this option extensions and click on apps script. Okay, here we need to paste our app script, and this is a very simple and easy process, so you don't need to write any code. Let's copy it from here and simply paste it over here. Okay, that's it. Then click on deploy and click on new deployment button, then click on this gear icon and select web app, and here you can type a description, or you can blank it, no need to type anything. And here you can select anyone who access, select anyone, and make sure execute as me. Okay, set the default option, then click on this button deploy, then click on this button authorized access and click on advanced. Don't worry, you can click on this option, go to untitled project and save, then click on this button continue. Okay, so it will generate a new link, and here the link, so we need to copy the link and go back to the plugin or your dashboard, and here as you can see we have got a Google app script URL option. Let's paste it. Okay, so paste it over here, then click on this button save settings. Let's click on it, and we have successfully configured our system. So now if someone trying to order from your website, okay, and are trying to order, click on view cart, proceed to checkout, and here you can type your name. For example, I'm typing Ajhar Islam, and your customer can type select their personal details, then click on this button place order. So wait a few seconds, so it will become, and see we have got our order ID, and if you match the order ID, see 3660, and this is the same order ID. Okay, and this is the our order amount, and if you match it, total amount and product name, and if you see this is our product category, and we have got our product name. Okay, this is our product name. So it will be automatically sent any data to your Google Sheet. And even if you update your order status, see right now this order status is processing. So if you go to your dashboard and if you go to orders, so and I open it from new tab, and if you change the order status to completed, if you select completed, then click on apply button and wait a few seconds. Wait, it will be update automatically, and see it's automatically completed. This feature is working now, and if you see another option, and we have got our product categories, product type, and shipping method, and payment method, cash on delivery, payment method title, and total discount. So if you use coupon code, it will be show the discount here. So you don't need to export orders manually. You can use this plugin to automate your order status. So now I want to show you how to set up the pro version and how you can configure it to get more feature, daily, weekly, and monthly or product category wise sheet tab creation. But now for the free version, you will get all orders on the single sheet or single sheet tab. So I wanna show our all order monthly, January, February, March, so like that. It will be automatically create this tab, and if you purchase this pro version, you will get lifetime update and secure license. So let's go back to your dashboard. Again, go to plugins and click on add new and upload the plugin after purchase. So after purchase this plugin, you will get the zip file, then click on open and click on this button install now, and then click on this button activate plugin. So after activate this plugin, we need to active our premium license. Click on this button, or you can go to WC orders to Google Sheets and click on pro license, and here you can paste your license. So you will get license automatically if you purchase it from here. Okay, I have successfully activated my license, and if you go to here and see, we have activated our license, and see we can use all of pro feature. So now you can select sheet mode. For example, if you select monthly sheet, and if you scroll down and see are all pro features as unlocked. So if you select on it product SKU or product total, product quantity, or if you wanna show product price, product image link, you can select your required field, and I wanna use coupon use field, then click on save. And also you can add multiple script URL. Using this feature, you can send your orders data to multiple sheets. So you can create another sheet for product category wise sheet, or you can create or add another script for your daily sheets or product wise sheets. So you can use multiple unlimited sheet options using the feature. And another important feature, forward order to webhook, and it can send automatically orders to your custom webhook URL. Any custom webhook here, you can enable it easily from here. So now I wanna generate another sheet for monthly sheet. Then click on this button, copy to clipboard, or you can configure the existing sheet. So again, go to here extension and click on app script, and you can remove it. So I'm gonna remove the previous code and paste the new code, and click on here again, then again click on deploy. Okay, then again copy it and go back to your script, Google Apps script URL, and paste it over here. Again click on save settings, but make sure if you change any field or any option, and again paste the script over here, script option, and again generate the URL, and again copy it and again paste it over here if you change any option from here. So then paste it over here and again click on save settings. Okay, then click on place order button, and if you click on it and see, we have got our order. This script automatically create a new sheet over here. So it will be create automatically monthly sheet, and you can save your all data, and you can easily download and send anywhere your customer data. I think this is the very simple way to send your all order data to Google Sheet. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel to get more updates.